this is the project on which I am planning to work. I'm expecting that this project, if implemented, can give a big disruption to existing businesses of mutual funds, life insurance, and that kind of business. You see, basically, the idea behind this thing is that if anyone invests 25,000 rupees, anyone can invest 25,000, and that is basically the hedged position margin which is needed by exchange. For example, if you are selling 14,600 call, hedged with 14,650 call, margin requirement is only 25,000 rupees. Now there are 4 weeks, there are weekly options, and approximately 15 points is what we can generate in 1 week. Now, assuming that there will be 4 weeks, and in 2 weeks you will not be able to earn that 15 points, and in 1 week, if you earn 15 points, that will be uh, equivalent to almost 1125 rupees. So, deducting brokerages and all that of that, so net you are getting 1,000 rupees in a month. I mean, you are getting, what we are aiming here is just 15 points in Nifty in our put and call sell module. 15 points is our target for one lot. In there will be 4 weeks, and we will be earning one that particular. It may be happening that in 3 weeks we may not be earning, but if that business comes, that will be bonus to us. Now, in that 1,000 rupees, if I am giving 500 rupees to my investor as a rate at the rate of 2%, and that 500 rupees is kept in a fund which is not given to him. So that becomes 25,500 after 1 month. Same way, next month, February 21, we will be executing the same trade. Our capital is 25,500. Again, 500 rupees because one lot will be paid to him, and 500 rupees will be paid back to us. Uh, you know, in terms of little growth, what is actually accumulating in it. We are just considering a small growth in our this thing. So what you see that this fund will become 26,000 next week after paying two 500 installments. Then again third one, since margin is needed is 25,000, and you can trade only one lot. So this keeps on happening for almost 2 years. But after 2 years, in April 23, you are having 50,000 rupees in your account after paying 2%, 500 rupees to your investor. And that once that 50,000 rupees is there, portfolio value, now you can add one more extra lot. So you see, after 2 years, you are 2 years, 4 months, you are able to add one more lot. So once you add that lot, so 1,000 rupees on that lot will come. But that, since the customer is happy with 2% return only, that 1,000 rupees will come to the kitty. So that 1,000 rupees will come to kitty, and it will again, now instead of 24 months, it will get compounded in just 12 months. So after 12 months, your account will reach 75,000 figure mark. Then you will have a leverage of three lots. You can sell three lots. Now, once you start selling three lots, you will be able to generate 2,500 rupees from that, 3,000 rupees, and 2,500 rupees will start accumulating in your account. 500 rupees you will pay to that person who is happily taking 500 rupees every month. And in that way, if you see, next compounding is happening in only just 6 months of time. Once it figure reaches four lots we are accumulating. Now on four lots we are getting profits of 1,000 rupees each. So there are 4,000, but we are paying just for 500 rupees to him, as he is happy with 2% return. Now see, after fourth fourth compounding happens in only 4 months. The moment it becomes 1,25,000 5 lot position, then only 3 months it gets compounded to sixth lot. Now you see, in just 3 months, 6 months it becomes 7 lots, and you see the compounding is getting reduced compounding is happening in just 2 months. You are having now trading in 8 lots. You are giving just in 500, 7,500 is coming back to your kitty. Okay, so there are some additional gains which will happen during the course of time, because market may give some moves and which will be able to capitalize. So I have taken some additional this thing for that, but that is going to happen. So I mean, returns are going to be much more than 1,000 rupees. We are just talking about the possibility. Now you will see the compounding is happening after every 2 months. So once he completes 5 years in December 25, every month you are able to get one additional lot. Now this bugger is very happy. He is getting 500 rupees in the course of 5 years. He has got 30,000 rupees and 30,000 rupees. And at the end of the day, you can easily pay him 25,000. You can see that your fund is has grown to what amount? 3,34,000. Just this amount has accumulated. What we were receiving, after giving him 500. So 3,34,000 rupees is actually 1,337% return, which is actually 267% return per year. I mean, nowhere you will get this kind of return. Now we have done some calculation. Suppose this person keeps on investing 25,000 rupees every month. He's withdrawing also, but he's investing 25,000. So his kitty is becoming 53 lakhs 33,729 rupees after getting 30,000 rupees for every I mean investment for first. Then you have to reduce it by say 500 rupees. So backward calculation you have to do. So that 500 rupees per lot he is getting every month additional, and then accumulation is reaching to the figure of 53 lakh rupees, which is mind boggling. Now if you are able to find 1 lakh customer in this particular, suppose if you are word of mouth, suppose it is happening after say 5 years time. So this amount can be can become with 1 lakh. This amount, this suppose we are able to retain this much amount in our company, so this amount is reaching figure of 300 crores. If you are having 1 lakh customers of each paying 25,000 rupees, you are paying them 2% monthly interest. Not only that, you are accumulating this much amount, and suppose that is 60 crores rupees per year. This is the size of this income potential. Now if you want to say go for IPO, 10 times minimum amount, if you just target, so 300 crores is suppose our income. So 30,000 crore right now, HDFC MC is 40 times. So we are just taking 10 times. So that is the size of business potential. Option selling is having. No product, no investment on earth can give you this kind of return over the period of 5 years. And if you compound it for 10 years more, then this figure is going to be huge. I don't want to do all those calculations. But if suppose somebody is compounding just one lot for 10 years, 15 years, this figure will reach crores. So that was my small presentation. If you have got any doubt, please feel free to contact me, and we will be helping you in getting this kind of returns through option selling. That's all I will say. Thanks a lot, Dijen Kumar ji.